How to delete AliExpress application on iPhone devices. Are you guys facing issues to delete AliExpress app on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, just head over to AliExpress application. Now hold it for a second. After you hold it, you can see options like remove app, require face ID. Click on remove app. Now click on delete app. Again, click on delete. As soon as you click on delete, your application will be instantly deleted from your iPhone device. And that's it, guys. It's easy, right? If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you.